You know that feeling? You have a massive to-do list. You know you should start, but your brain feels like it's wrapped in fog. You scroll, you tidy, you do anything but the thing. And then the guilt sets in. Why am I so lazy? Stop. Right there. What if I told you it's not a character flaw, it's a system error? You're not lazy. You're just mismanaging a single critical resource. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the real reason you crash instead of create. You'll get a simple two-step framework to diagnose your personal energy leaks. And by the end of this, you'll walk away with a practical tool to transform that overwhelmed feeling into focused action. Starting today, we've been lied to. Productivity culture says push harder, grind longer. But here's where most students fail. They treat their brain like a machine that can run on willpower alone. Your brain isn't a machine, it's an ecosystem. And your focus, motivation, and willpower, those aren't infinite traits. They are energy outputs, and you can't output what you don't have in the tank. Think about it. You can't feel motivated on 4 hours of sleep. You can't focus when you're emotionally drained after a fight. This is the part nobody talks about. Your energy isn't one thing, it's 4 separate batteries. Battery number 1, physical. Sleep, nutrition, movement. Battery number 2, emotional. Stress, anxiety, unresolved feelings. Battery number 3, mental. Decision fatigue, information overload. Battery number 4, spiritual. Your sense of purpose, your why. Here's the exact moment it clicks. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain's warning signal that one or several of these batteries is in the red. Scrolling social media? That's often a desperate, low-energy attempt to recharge your emotional or mental battery. It's a leaky charger. So, watch what happens next. Let's fix the leak. Do this with me. Step 1. The pinpoint. Next time you feel that I can't even start resistance, pause. Ask, which battery is empty? Is your body tired? Physical. Are you dreading someone's judgment? Emotional. Is the task too vague? Mental. Does it feel pointless? Spiritual. Step 2. The targeted recharge. Don't just take a break. Match the recharge to the battery. Physical drain? A 10-minute walk beats 30 minutes of YouTube. Emotional drain? Vent on a notes doc for 2 minutes. Mental drain? Make the next step stupidly small. Open document and write 1 sentence. This changes everything. You stop fighting yourself. You start listening. Small targeted actions create momentum. That momentum creates motivation. It doesn't wait for it. You weren't broken. You were just using the wrong manual. Energy management turns you from a critic of your past self into the architect of your next hour. You have more agency than you think. Try this audit just once today. The moment you feel stuck, ask which battery is low and give it the specific recharge it needs. Then come back and tell me in the comments, what was your battery and what did you do? I read every single one. If this reframe helped, subscribe. We're building a channel that trades guilt for game plans, one psychology-backed study trick at a time. Remember, you are not lazy. You are a complex system, worthy of understanding. Now go manage your energy, not your time.